Yes, so now welcome back from that shikili break. I believe so now evening on the basket, it don't make sense because so far so good. Obi Martins written plenty mumu things when they do for you. I know saying they put smile on top on our face. And you know say we don't talk and say we no fit on top your TV, make your evening still day boring. And don't forget say before we go that break, we tell them and say when we show back, we go bring some cajat people, some physically challenged people, and as they talk so they don't day on seat.
Exactly. And don't forget, say there is ability in disability. Every Thursday like this. Now so we want to bring them come. So that we will hear from them and how far they come. And our guest for today, make una help us welcome Crazy Legs, R4C, and Ugochukwu. Hey, Eva. Ugo, that's all right. I'm gonna just be manager. All right, we get Ugochukwu for here. Ugochukwu na he know they see, he they blind. But what is this guy they do? Some people where they see self.
No fit do the half of farm.
This thing where Ugochukwu carry so praise and hope, praise and himself. He blind though, he blind, but now in they do one by himself. Now they do one person way blind. Now they do one. God go bless you, Ugochukwu. And R4C, when me say radical for Christ. This guy, they always do one program every year. They call him Ability.
Yeah, ability.
Where he go carry all these physically challenged people. He go put them together. No be so?
Yes, sir.
Organize competition for them. Bring comedians come. People like Ali Baba, people like Yo, they go crack joke. Then these physically challenged people, Skippy, they'll come to showcase their talent one after another. And this guy, they try. They try. And they get small support, but he still need people to come do it.
Support and more. The money, ministry for move forward.
According to Ram, he said the money where people they get, some people they get small to do this thing. They put them inside it. They give. I don't witness it. You know, be saying a lie. I don't witness them. They give them. So I beg, if you know say what support, maybe later before the end of the show, you go talk. I want take.
Yes.
Then we get Crazy Legs. Crazy what I go on. Crazy leg, Fino, crazy leg. This one I mean the Fino for the physically challenged people. This guy they dance. This guy a dancist. All right, this guy they dance. Today we'll see all those things. But this one are People's Parliament today. Now for this segment, I'm gonna put one hand for office.
Ugochukwu just raise one hand.
When I go say I. You call your name. I
R4C.
Anything where they ask me for here today.
Anything where they ask me for here today.
Now the truth.
Now the truth.
And nothing but the truth.
Nothing but the
If I lie.
If I lie.
Make a naked bath.
Make a naked bath.
If you lie, make a bath. All right, Ugo, you are welcome.
Yes,
Radical for Christ, you are welcome. Crazy Legs, you are welcome. Welcome to our show, the late night show with Obi Martins. I don't know if I get another person.
My appearance, they speak for himself. I don't need to shout. Oh, now welcome.
All right.
How did they?
Thank God, though.
We'll not talk, we'll not take the oath.
Yes.
Something we'll ask now today.
They must talk true.
Ugo.
Yes, sir.
So now you they do this thing by yourself.
Yes, sir.
Raise the thing up. No reason block your face. So people they see. No reason block your face. So now you they do it like this for yourself.
Yes, sir.
And nobody they do it.
Nobody.
Nobody say person go do it or carry and give you.
Say continue.
You sure?
Now you start from bottom.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So now you they no put her up.
Okay.
I bet director. I bet when they see this way we go carry up so. Now you they do it by yourself.
Yes, sir.
Nobody say person go do it. Carry and give you may continue. Put her down. Radical for Christ. Nobody say now you they do it. They carry and give them.
No. Now they do them. Even the first day when I see them, I surprised. I shock.
Say now they do them.
Now they do them.
You sure?
This one are small now. This one are small. Get the one saying they choose many colors. Now I come there, bros. I take
the colors.
The colors.
Are you serious?
Ugo.
Black, blue, yellow.
No verse radical. How you take the see the color?
Anyway, they bring the beats. Different. I go bring all the beats together. Keep maybe now if that 3 beats I won't mix. I will keep one by my left, one by the middle, one by my right. Then somebody could contest this one like white too, this one like green, this one. Anytime I want miss, I go know say I hear white today. And so I could the drum.
So you must say at a lot.
Yes, sir.
Very brilliant.
And
so this This one they call them flower pot, flower vase.
How you tell us that flower pot you dey build?
This is if you count them from here to this place, now 14 bidding they give you each corner.
Okay.
So they call them 4-corner method.
Okay.
Okay.
Of flower vase. And then come get 4-step join.
And if you don't finish, you know where it's supposed to reach, Abi?
I see it for the half of it. I never finish them.
Okay. If you don't reach the height where it's supposed to reach, you go no see okay, you don't all reach.
Yes.
That's nice. That's nice. You don't get time when you say don't do mistake, and you don't say don't do mistake, you continue again.
Now the time where I begin to learn, I started to do this thing 2012.
2012.
Yes. When I asked the time where I go fan craft, go learn them. Before I come continue, maybe come go from Bethesda Home for the Blind, come teach them how to do them.
You teach yourself?
Yes, there.
Okay, Ugo. This thing where you they do now, I know say you go don't make many other ones, Abi.
Yes.
You they see people where they buy them from you.
Yes, I go churches to go.
And they buy them?
They buy and they help me support.
And they know how much they buy them?
Yes, I did.
If you call them for them 500, you go no say na 500 and give you.
Yes, then go give. They shit me because na church they did.
We go leave that thing.
All my ladies, say, take a look. I got money, okay.
Crazy legs. I waiting they put food for a table with that, and they don't prove them. They don't prove and say nah so. All right, before we go.
No, wait. I want to talk something. See waiting crazy leg do now. You self talk and crazy leg in the legless. Now you stand up that time. May you dance. You they do like this. What's that one? Why they look my back? Ma stand up. Easy bit. You no go know waiting there people mind now. Oh. This is my back. I cover my back. Oh, see? No, did you just see that? I talk English by force because of you. Crazy leg, wonderful. Now, before you go, I don't know whether you feel help me train person for dancing. If I give you person, you go feel trainer for me.
Well,
yes, because before you go here, I go hand over this guy to you. From one corner, Obi Martins don't talk and say time no day to check time. And don't forget every day on top of the show, we enter on our dude, but go ask people for one simple question. Exactly. Say make them talk for good English, one word where they give them. And you know say before we come up for here yesterday, we talk and say make on our airpods talk this word for good English. Now for my body, you they get power. And now our one personal person, Jacob, don't go inside that dude, but go talk to people. Make we hear the answer where they give to the question. The good English, now for my body, you they get power.
Most yeah.
Opolo eye, no be open eye. At the same time, when water don't pass Gary, it get as it be. Yesterday, some people fall my hand, some don't fall my hand because they see the chocolate recharge card at W Late Night Show for Twitter. And I don't dey for street today to ask one simple question. Now for my body, they get power. I want me to help me translate them to simple English. Now for my body, you they get power. Right now, I don't dey for street again. Make we find out what people get stuck on top of this matter. Mogo.
Is my body having power?
It is from my body that you have power.
Okay, when you come to my side, that's the place you always have strength. I
I tried a little, right?
It is in my body you have power.
It's even hard to answer. I can't really. In fact, now my body they get power.
That's the simple English now. Now my body they get now myself now you get power.
You have power in my body.
I get power from your body.
Oh,
Hey,
you have power in my
Skippy,
body.
now for my body,
You have
you dey
power
get
in my
power.
body.
It depends on it. Now for my body, you dey get power. Skippy,
Now your plan?
now for my body.
No, I don't jam.
But which person go there for person body when they get power? If they put me for anybody body, I'll get power. Don't be man, no.
But Obi Martin. I don't thought I would do you, but now na the time. We dey ask people all these questions. We dey form say na we hear good English for here. Obi, na for my body you dey get power. You talk am for good English.
Now for my body, you dey get